Hey everyone. I've been completely obsessed with crypto content across the internet recently. And over the last several days, I've gone through maybe 140 pieces of content: YouTube tutorials, TikTok clips, Instagram posts, Discord servers, Facebook groups, crypto forums, everything about mining crypto without purchasing physical mining equipment. And what's genuinely concerning is this trend appearing everywhere across all platforms. I'm noticing roughly 88% of this content is blatantly promoting fraudulent operations. I'm going through all this thinking, guys, these influencers across every platform are just dangerously careless with what they promote. I honestly developed serious distrust toward whether legitimate cloud mining even exists, because the entire sector across all social media seems saturated with fraud. But yeah, I actually found ArcMine around 15 weeks ago, and look, it's still the only platform I genuinely recommend without hesitation. So let me run through this live so you see the complete process. Okay, opening any browser and typing arcmine.io. Cool, I'm on their site. Here, clicking Start Mining, and I'm going with BTC here, but the platform actually handles mining for basically every major cryptocurrency: Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Tron, all the top coins. But Bitcoin's what I'm choosing today. Okay, hitting continue now. So here I need to input my receiving address, switching to my wallet, copying that address, back to the platform, and pasting it right here. Great. Now I'm adjusting hash rate power and mining speed. Basically, these controls determine how much processing power gets dedicated to your operation and how fast it processes. But here's the catch: this directly impacts your fees. So if I push these higher, I'll mine crypto faster, but the costs increase proportionally. Right, makes sense. Next, I'm entering my target amount. This shows how much crypto I'm aiming to mine, the USD value, and the estimated time frame. Okay, so now I'm launching the mining operation. Awesome, it's running. All the data is visible here: time left, power allocated, efficiency metrics, everything's transparent. Let's give this a second. And nice, I've successfully mined this amount of Bitcoin. Now I can withdraw it to my wallet. But important thing here, the platform requires the infrastructure fee covered before processing any withdrawal. Everything's itemized right here. So here's the energy consumption, here are the server clusters that handled it, plus network transaction costs. And yeah, crucial detail: the minimum infrastructure fee for using their resources is always $90 baseline. So factor that in. Complete transparency. Okay, I'm copying this address. One sec, please. Good, back to app, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to verify everything. All right, so let me share something real with you about why I trust ArcMine after getting absolutely wrecked by scam platforms. Because my experience with fake mining operations has been brutal and expensive. And honestly, talking about it might help some of you avoid the same mistakes. First major rule, never trust any mining platform promoted through paid advertising on social media, whether it's Facebook ads, Instagram sponsorships, YouTube pre-rolls, TikTok promotions, because legitimate platforms don't need aggressive advertising. Scams do. Second, when testing any new platform, deposit literally the bare minimum, like $200, $300 maximum initially, and immediately attempt withdrawing even a tiny amount just to verify the process actually works. Because if withdrawal is smooth and straightforward from day one, that's a positive signal. If they create any friction or complications, it's a massive red flag. Third, be extremely suspicious of platforms that allow one or two small early withdrawals, then create problems with larger amounts. That's a classic bait and switch tactic designed to build false trust. So yeah, links available in the pinned comment and description. Start extremely small, test withdrawals immediately, stay vigilant always, and share your honest, real experience in the comments after testing it yourself. Peace out.